We going?
Put the dog down.
Okay, carry on.
Introducing Josh Beech. Sign my boob.
Hello. You know what we should have done? Is put a mask on me and then people had to guess who it was and then you pull it off.
No, we didn't do that. Hey guys, I'm Shenae Grimes-Beech from
My house.
LostInLala.com. I am sorry that I've been MIA the past couple of weeks. I was just busy eating and drinking over the holidays. Sorry about that. But I am here with an extra special video because I have an amazing guest today. My husband.
Hello, how you doing?
You were supposed to say your name.
Oh.
My husband, Josh Beech.
Josh Beech.
He forgot his name. Don't worry about it. My husband.
Josh Beech.
Little late on the cue there.
Hello, my name is Josh.
He is going to be doing my makeup today. I'm a little bit nervous because this is the first time Josh has ever done this, but he does have quite an extensive education. He's seen me do my makeup over and over and over again. So you totally know what you're doing, right?
Yeah.
I don't know who's more scared, me or him.
Buy flowers, everybody does that. Chocolates, been done a million times.
Not
do
original.
your makeup.
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for new videos.
What happens if people really like what I did? Do I need to start a blog?
Link to youtube.com/JoshBeechDoesMakeup.
Makeup by Josh.
We shouldn't have
Makeup by Josh.
by Josh. It's the Parisian way. Let's just get straight into it.
I would love to.
Let's
I'd love to. I have no idea what I'm doing though, baby.
Let's just see what happens. For the beginning of my makeup process, I always start with a primer. I've selected two of my favorites that you can choose from or
What is
combine.
priming?
Priming is creating a blank canvas for my foundation.
What's foundation?
Okay, let's just
Alright,
deal with this one.
I feel like how much
That's
that
a
is.
lot,
Is
so,
it? Well,
yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
Is this shit expensive?
Cover your ears, kids.
Okay, I haven't seen anybody else do it like this. So where do I start?
A nice delicate touch.
Thank you. I've been working on it.
Oh,
Not just trying to get, just trying to get
We're
that.
just- yeah,
don't want to
that's-
waste any.
There's lots on here now.
There is.
Yep,
I
lots.
don't think it's in enough. I'm getting it in there, babe.
It's like when a mom puts sunscreen on their kid, you know, when you were a kid and your mom would just be like, ugh. Okay, step one is complete.
You know what you don't
think
get
it's
when you
good.
do it yourself?
So step two is foundation. I typically mix these two colors. I just dab a little on the back of my hand, mix them together, and then apply it with this foundation brush.
What? Where's this go?
It's foundation.
So the whole face, the
Yeah.
base coat.
Yeah, exactly. Look how much you've shrunk me down with your hand on my head.
Sorry, Sheena.
Good?
I think so.
Next is concealer. Oh my god, look at my hair. You can put concealer under my eyes and then you'll blend it in with the beauty
Oh,
blender.
thank God for the blender. And what about on any spots? That's a good one.
Do you want to name it? Oh, it's in my eye. It's in my eye.
Oh, that's pretty good, babe. I'm good with a sponge. You look a little grey. How's that? That looks pretty good.
Now just do some powder. This just helps set everything.
On the
Whoa, that's a lot.
Oh, shit. Look at me, I'll fix this up quick and nice. Beautiful.
The next step, now that all of my makeup is set and I look like a vampire, is contouring.
Contouring, this is the secret to the Kardashians' success.
Exactly.
Contouring.
What are your thoughts on contouring?
It's like the most punk rock of all the brushes.
Normally I also contour my jawline and my nose.
Why your nose? You want to look like you've got a longer nose. Alright.
No.
Oh. You look like we've just had a lovely holiday in Florida.
Really?
inside?
I typically do my blush next.
Just in a circle? You don't look like you've been for a run all day, do you? Just a little flush.
Exactly.
Like someone just told you something exciting, or you've just received a gift. There you go. That's nice.
Next up is the highlighter.
I'll go with gold because you've said you already look too pale.
Highlighter typically goes on like the middle and tip of your nose, the inner corners of your eyes, the under your brow bone, and then up on your cheekbones.
Ruined.
Probably need more.
No, I don't need any more of it. It's fine. You've got a gold tip of your nose now.
You did it like right in between my eyebrows.
That's what you said, wasn't it?
No, I said...
Well, how do I get rid of that, baby? I think on the tip of the nose is a bit much, but there you go.
And you did my chin, just for
Not
good
gonna do your
measure.
chin? Oh.
Pretty good.
It's not bad, babe. If you went outside like that, I wouldn't be like, what's going on? Other people might be. You look happy.
Brows.
What do I do?
Just like brush it onto the brow.
What do I do about a bit that is just like a big blob?
Oh no. Next we will do eyes.
I don't know how to do it.
I know.
I'm panicking.
Why?
You're very shiny. This goes all over here, right? Oh no, this just matches your face. I'm gonna bag a bit of gold in there then. Oh, that's better. Probably do a little more of that underneath.
Underneath my eyebrow. Oh, no. Oh my god.
Underneath where, baby? Oh, your eyebrow, not your eyes, sorry.
I think you could do like a smoky eyes, which where you would just go in with the darker colors and really smoke it out.
Getting there, isn't it?
Is it good? Maybe just blend it.
Well, that's just made it all look bigger and scarier.
Now you could use that first brush you wanted to use, and that you can do like under my eye just to smoke out my lower lash line.
Oh, this brush is really hard to use. Okay.
I like the kisses. Oh, yay!
It looks a lot better in real life than it does on that.
I mean, it's not like that bad.
It's missing something, isn't it?
Yeah, I feel like we should add a little liquid line. Be very careful.
Just on the tip?
Do it slowly.
Of the nose? Looks like a drunk person did it. Let's have a look. That's alright.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes.
What do I
Just
do?
Be gentle, gentle.
What is this?
Just squeeze.
It's...
Okay, good. Let go, let go.
Oh.
Open. Oh my god. Mascara. And then lips and you're done.
Now this one just goes up. I want to get it right in there.
Don't.
Oh, that's good. Are you scared?
Yes.
Stop moving away.
No.
Yeah, baby, you got it.
No, no,
You got
no.
it. Well, we could just do one eye, Clockwork Orange style.
Yeah, okay. Red or nude?
Red, just keep it classic. This is what I used on your eyes.
No, it's liquid lipstick.
Oh, see, this is where it's all going to go wrong because I'm used to the normal, like...
So when you apply lipstick, you like the traditional kind?
Halloween I'm talking about, you know?
Okay. It's inside my mouth.
No, just so it gives you full coverage. you know?
Okay.
Yeah, smile like that. You can really get in there then. That. There we go.
I never had a makeup artist and beauty blend my teeth.
Oh, I shouldn't have put it in there.
I look like the Joker.
That's what I was going for. This bit. Why is there some in there?
You did it. Oh, the spit thing again. What have you done?
I think it's like heroin chic.
I could like go to underground rock concert.
Yeah, exactly. It's cool.
It's very like Courtney Love.
It's
Yeah.
Courtney Love vibes.
Yes. Yes. Ladies, if you are in the Los Angeles area and looking for a makeup artist, Josh Beech is available.
I tried my best.
You did try your best. I appreciate it. You put real solid effort into that. All right, guys, that is it. That is the successful makeup application on me by my wonderful husband. Thank you so much for joining me and doing this video. It was not a disaster in the end, depending on, you know, what look you are going for, it's a surefire statement.
Would you go out like it again?
You mean would I go out in public like this? If you guys liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you take off. I will see you next week.